Hey, this is Dwayne the Clock Guy. I got a nice clock to show you today. It's a wall clock. It's mid-century modern. This wall clock, this shape of wall clock, they were very popular in the late 50s and early 60s. They're very similar in design. There were some variations, but they pretty much all looked very similar to this, with the champagne colored dial and the Art Deco style numbers, like the 8 and the 9. You can see in the 10. They're Hey there, this is Dwayne the Clock Guy. I have a nice clock to show you today. It is a mid-century modern German wall clock. These were very popular in the 1950s and 60s. What I like about these is the nice Art Deco numbers, the numerals. I see the 8 and 9. See how they are in the Art Deco style. The Germans, I guess, really enjoyed this face. I'm not sure. The Germans really thought this face was pretty good, because I also have clocks from around 1920 and they have the exact same numerals on it in the same style, so it's been around for a long time. I just happen to really like mid-century modern. That is my era. These are the kind of things I would have seen when I was a child. This clock is in very typical condition of the era. I will show you why. It's in great shape with the high polish. It's in great shape with the. It's a beautiful high polish finish. They tended to crack, a lot of them, little either checking or crazing. I don't know if you can see that. Very common with these clocks. I have a lot of mid-century clocks from right around 1960, and with few exceptions, they did have the cracking on the highly polished surfaces. Trying to show you, but it just looks great, doesn't it? It's beautiful wood. They had this nice champagne colored dial. This one is missing its label. You can see the outline of Kieninger, which was a German clock company. The most common name I see on these is Malta, which is another German clock company, but they are virtually the same, with a little bit of difference in the movement. but they're still, the Kieninger is still a quality German movement. They have the convex glass, and the Malta has a one-piece curved glass which follows the shape of this edge. It's curved. They must have heated it and curved. This, on the other hand, is two pieces, which I actually kind of like. It's got a small piece of beveled glass there, and then it's got another piece of beveled glass that just slides into a slot, and it's straight, it doesn't curve. I actually like this because and you can see through it better than the Malta style. Very typical, unscrewing the face. You can unscrew the This is how you take the movement out to service it. The hook goes on a hanger inside, and this movement pulls out like so. Beautiful wood, isn't it? This particular one has a 3 brass rod harmonic chime. It sounds like a bim bam. They also call it that. Let's see if I can get this to sit in here backwards. That would be great, so you can see it run. So when that movement is in correctly, all you do is hang this pendulum on the rod. I'm going to tilt the clock a little so I can get it leveled, so it will run. At 29 cm means 29 centimeters. That is the length of the pendulum, just in case it goes missing and you need to get another one. It is held onto the seat board by these 2 thumb screws. Very easy to work on. This one is in really good condition. And then you tighten up these thumb screws. Start it moving. I can hear it. It is a mid-century modern Kieninger German wall clock, circa 1960, and this is the clock I sang. Thanks for watching.